As the markets begin to restore to their former glory and the bull market return to its former state, investors are eagerly looking forward to more exciting and innovative crypto gaming investment opportunities. The clear theme of the next generation of blockchain protocols is all about interoperability, the ability to interact and engage with other blockchain protocols with ease. Ethereum may be great for NFTs, but the Binance Smart Chain has the most exciting altcoins feature on it. Moving funds through a bridge can see investors lose a lot of unnecessary funds throughout bridges, but as the crypto gaming space begins to innovate, we see projects such as the Blockchain Monsters Hunt begin to emerge. The very first multi-chain NFT monster hunt. Welcome back to our channel. Today we shall be taking a very close look at one of the most exciting NFT-based crypto games set to be released in the near future. Having recently passed a highly successful IDO and funding round, the project is now looking towards a very exciting and highly lucrative future. As we begin to approach to the more exciting stages of the Blockchain Monsters Hunt project, this is the perfect time to pay close attention and look to get actively involved. You don't want to miss this out, believe that. Before we get into our deep dive, I'd like to remind you that the contents of this video are purely for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before making any sort of investment decisions. The game itself is the very first multi-chain game that is able to run entirely on the blockchain. Closer look at the game reveals heavy inspiration from titles such as classic Pokemon, allowing players to explore new players across the blockchain in order to hunt and fight monsters. Every single block on a blockchain is designed as a unique digital space that is filled with a number of limited monsters of the same DNA and rarity live. Players and collectors explore and enter these blocks in an attempt to capture these monsters and earn the in-game currency. The key selling point of Blockchain Monster Hunt is the fact that the game is looking to encourage gamers from across multiple chains to interact and play with one another. From launch, the game is set to run on Ethereum, BSC and Polygon, with futures planned to expand to other EVM and non-EVM based chains in the future. The Blockchain Monster Hunt team understands the strengths and advantages of the countless blockchain ecosystems available. Every single crypto investor certainly has a preference for particular networks, be they NFT collectors, avid traders or holders. This project is aimed towards the widest range of gamers and investors alike. Simply connecting either your MetaMask or Wallet Connect, selecting your preferred blockchain, and players will be ready to get involved hunting, buying and battling monsters in order to earn BCMC tokens. As with the usual catching of rare monsters and increasing the earning potential of players, the most interesting aspect of the Blockchain Monster Hunt is the insurance concept. As opposed to the majority of blockchain games, there does actually exist a failed state for gamers. Monsters can actually die and lose experience, lowering their overall level. As such, the Monster Hunt team is introducing the concept of insurance. NFT-based and backed insurance is a concept that we have seen across the crypto space, but its usage and success across the gaming ecosystem are yet to be seen. What do you think about the Blockchain Monster Hunt project so far? It certainly sounds like a great investment opportunity, but what really sets it apart from the rest? Is blockchain gaming just a passing fad? Let us know what you think in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to share this along with your fellow crypto and gaming enthusiasts, and please hit that subscribe button now. The in-game earnings and currency are through the BCMC ERC-20 token. This token can freely move through any of the supported chain without the need for any bridging system or third-party platforms. The token itself has a great deal of utility both in-game and as an investment opportunity, allowing players to not only catch monsters and boost their returns, but also as a means of insurance against loss. There is also the utility through the marketplace, as well as the staking pools and the introductions of the government's features. A total supply of 1 billion tokens at a public sale valuation of 0.09 cents per token grants a starting valuation of a whopping $90 million. Although only 10 million BCMC shall be released on launch, with a total unlock schedule extending for the next 12 years. It is clear to see that this is a long-term project with some inherent value generation through the tokens themselves. Although still very much in the early days of the project, the Blockchain Monster Hunt team is set to push forward in huge strides across 2022. As of now, there is a VIP early access period alongside the completely fair multi-chain launch. VIP users will have access to play to earn features and will be able to farm the BCMC native token, buying, selling and trading assets on their own native on-chain marketplace. Mobile support development has also begun. Q1 2022 will see the introduction of achievements and quests into the core game, giving further incentives for gamers to remain playing. An NFT flash loan feature, as well as a cross-chain portal, shall shall also be introduced as well as a multi-chain liquidity pool. Then we have Q2 2022, where we shall see the highly anticipated breeding feature, the ability for monster owners to combine and mint their own NFTs. This breeding and minting shall be further driven alongside the implementation of player versus player battles, furthering allowing gamers to fight and play against one another, as well as the introduction of the Metaverse Land NFT. We have already seen how lucrative and profitable virtual land and digital real estate can be for a crypto economy. Q3 2022 shall see mining introduced into additional chains, as well as the competitive nature of PvP battles officially endorsed through the introduction of tournaments. This incentive is not only set to draw in new players, but motivate existing players to improve and stand a chance to win off their in-game skills. This period shall also see the full release of a native mobile app, opening the doors of the blockchain Monster Hunt project to a much wider and broader audience. What is the next big thing? There is a lot of interest in blockchain Monster Hunt project, alongside a number of high profiles, venture capital firms actively investing and recently secured a whopping $3.8 million funding round. Blockchain Monster Hunt, it's set to be an impressively sized mid to large cap project. Perhaps the clearest sign of quality from the project is the direct involvement of the world-renowned Animoca brands, the gold standard of quality across the crypto gaming space. Animoca has a great deal of influence across both decentralized and legacy market sectors, with direct investments in a great deal of highly lucrative crypto games such as the Sandbox, CryptoKitties, and even Axie Infinity. Furthermore, Animoca has had a great deal of experience dealing with major franchises and enterprises such as Atari, Mattel, Hello Kitty, Garfield, Hot Wheels, MLB, NBA, WWE. The list really goes on, and the fact that this deal flow is now afforded to the blockchain Monster Hunter ecosystem should indicate some great potential in store for the future of the project. The community itself is extremely bullish and hyped for the release of the blockchain Monster Hunter title. Although the project has only recently passed one of its earliest funding rounds, there currently exists in excess of 30,000 followers on Twitter and an active Telegram community in excess of 30,000 members. As we enter the era of crypto and blockchain gaming, there are few upcoming games that indicate such high quality and such guaranteed success. With a brilliant team, a great deal of both institutional and retail support, as well as a number of highly intelligent and lucrative strategic partnerships already established, it is clear to see that the blockchain Monster Hunt title is set to see some impressive levels of growth and entertain both gamers and investors from around the planet. Well, great seeing you again once at Crypto Puffy. Don't forget to share this along with your fellow crypto and gaming enthusiasts, and please hit that subscribe button now. See you in the next one. Bye bye!